How to use Canva AI Image Generator. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Canva's AI Image Generator. So first, let's open up our Canva. Head over to canva.com and here what you'll need to do is you will need to search for apps. So on the left side where you find apps, tap on it. Now on the apps, what you can do is you can simply search for your AI generator. So search for image generator on the search apps option. And after you search for image generator, you should be finding a lot of different options. Now there are a lot of popular ones which you can use for specific purpose. You can use something like your background erasure and stuff like that. There's AI image gen as well, and if you scroll down more, you should find DAL-E, which is ChatGPT's image generator. So we'll be using that as well here. So tap on it and tap on using existing or new design. I will be creating a new design with 1080, 1080px, and yeah, you can use it on previous canvas as well. So there you can see, I've just opened up this. Now on the left bar, you can now enter a prompt which you can use to generate images. So you can write whatever you want. I will be writing a random stuff like the shape of avocado and armchair. So yeah, just wait while this loads. It can take some time. So while that happens, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So let's wait, and it's almost done. It will give you a few different options from which you can choose from. It might give us two different options here, as you can see. So again, it can take some time depending on internet speed. And there we go. Now you can press on the one that you like, or if you don't like it, you can generate back as well. So there we go. I've just added the armchair that looks like an avocado. And again, you can keep adding different prompts and different uh, ideas on there, and you can feed it and it should start generating different ideas. And that's basically it. That is how you do this, and that is how you can use Canva's AI image generator, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.